Bruce here, the Frugal Tech, and we are now looking at the powered Logitech wireless charging stand that's designed for the iPhone 10 and 8 models. Now it's priced at $69. The stand does come with a premium price, but offers some pretty attractive features, and it does come with a 1-year warranty. So unboxing the stand, I think Logitech did a really nice job with the packaging. And once we open the box, first thing we see is the stand itself. It weighs 14.6 ounces. It comes in a off-white color. The stand has somewhat of a rubber feel to it. According to Logitech, it's rubberized. Now attached to this stand is a 5-foot integrated charging cable with TPU. So after removing the charger, you get a quick start guide, and there's a QR code on there that will take you to the Logitech site. It kept taking me to the supports page at Logitech, so I don't think it was working right or taking me to the right place. Finally, you get a wall adapter for mains power. Now, once powered up, you simply place your phone on the stand. You can do that in either portrait or landscape mode, and a small light on the back of the stand will light up. Now, this indicates that the phone is now being charged. So this charger supports the Qi standard. So it supplies up to 7.5 watts for the iPhone, but it can also charge the Samsung S7, S8, the S9 Plus, the S9. However, it does so at a lower 5 watts. One of the design features is that the stand tilts at 65 degrees, so that makes using Face ID simple to use. It's kind of a natural angle for that to work at its best. Another nice touch is the ability to charge in both portrait and landscape modes. Another interesting feature is the built-in overheat protection. The stand has no fans and uses sensors to manage temperatures, and should they rise, a cool down process will kick in. Now the stand is rubberized, as I said earlier, and the reason for this is if you get a vibrating type of notification on your phone, you won't have to worry about falling off the stand, which is, I think, a very nice touch. Finally, the charger will work with non-metal cases up to 3mm thick, and that would include the Apple silicone and leather cases. The iPhone 8 Plus case, interestingly enough, requires that the bottom of the case be fully open. Now, as a fan of Logitech products, I think this charger will last a good long time. It seems to be well made, but I'll keep you posted as testing goes on. So that's really all I can say about this charger. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.